Choco-Lovers, what's up? How we doing? We're back and we're baking. Today we'll be making a nice recipe, very delicious, very popular in Latin America. We'll be making the Tres Leches Cake. But that's not everything. We're gonna make it super chocolatey. Like, so chocolatey, it's gonna be beautiful, ooey goo chocolatey. Let's make it happen. Let's get going. First off, we're gonna start the Tres Leches Cake batter. How do we do this? We want to make a beautiful, spongy, airy cake. To do that, to achieve that airiness, we have to mix the eggs and the sugar on high speed, full power! And so it's time for the dry ingredients. Add them in there. The cocoa powder, baking powder, and the salt. We still have the milk as well, which is a dry ingredient. Herein, we're gonna be mixing a tiny bit of vanilla. Ba-boom. Ba-boom. And now we're gonna fold in the dry ingredients. Very carefully, you wanna keep all the air inside. And then, lastly, the milk and vanilla mixture. Cake batter ready. Oven warmed up on 175. And then we're gonna pour this into the tray. Now comes the most important part of this whole recipe. What it's really about. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna make the tres leches with the twist we talk about. We're gonna make it chocolatey, very chocolatey. So add in the milks. We're gonna mix them up. We have the whole milk. Add that one in here. Boom. We have the evaporated milk. Add that one in here. Ba-boom. And lastly, we have the condensed milk. The goodness. Add that one as well. And then we're gonna be adding dark chocolate. So now we have this out of the oven. It's still warm. That's when you want to pour in this mixture. So we're gonna go ahead and poke a few holes in there. And then what you want to do is scrape off the sides. Then when we pour in the milk mixture, it's gonna incorporate the milk all over, on the sides, on the bottom, on the top. And now we're gonna pour in the chocolatey goodness on top of the other chocolatey goodness. Choco-Lovers, we have the cake ready. We poured the tres leches mixture on top of it. It's soaking in. It's nice and moist now. And right now is the moment to top it off. And now, finish it off with a beautiful drizzle of dark chocolate. You can cut this up in pieces, or you can even use a spoon or a bigger spoon to take this out and put it on a plate. Or you can take the whole thing, take a spoon and eat it by yourself. That's perfectly normal as well. I do that. This is it. We have a nice and beautiful drizzle on there. Now it's the time to try it out. Look at all that moisture. That's what Tres Leches is all about. The moisture. Deep rich chocolate. The cinnamon coming through. Beautiful. Easy recipe to try at home. Sunday, you know, chilling at home, not doing anything. This is your go-to dessert. Make it happen. Try it out.